Right guys, back again, Crazy Mechanic. We're fitting a fuel control module, original one from Land Rover. You can get cheaper versions online. We're going to fit an original Jaguar Land Rover one. Cost a few quid more, but better quality. 2020 Range Rover Evoque, new generation. You're going to need a little clip tool to get the cover off, 10mm socket and a few other little bits. Got to take the back wheel. They're located in the back wheel arch. The earlier ones are at the front, passenger side, new ones are at the back wheel arch here. So if you want to know where your modules are for your fuel cut off, which is a common problem on these, so we're just going to get the wheel off. So take your wheel off as normal, standard procedure. Be careful because the wheels are quite heavy. You ain't got to take all the wheel arch out, just this side. So all you do is a 10mm nut here, 10mm nut there, clip here, clip there, these little clips. Just literally come out with either a screwdriver or you can use a clip tool. So we'll get these nuts out and then we'll show you a bit more. So this is a standard 10mm long reach. That's one here. Undo it. Plastic little clip, these little clips, and there, it's all off. So once all the clips are off, which you've done, pull it to one side there, so it clips out that, pull it round like that, it'll be a bit dusty, pull it up on the wheel arch to the back of the caliper. There's your module here. Bolts in this little metal plate, unclip your clip. Take your big multi-clip off, and you'll need a 10mm socket to undo it. And that's it there, the old module. This is your nice fancy new one. Goes in the plate. There is a little sticky pad on them from factory, but it goes in like that. There's a little butt clip at the top so you can't get it wrong. And literally drops on the two bolt holes like that. Get your little nut, pin your nut on. And get your clip. Just make sure it's clipped in. You'll hear a little clip. Pull it up tight and you'll hear a click so you know it's clicked in. It's just a reversal of what you've done. Get your cover. Bit awkward these covers to get back in. Careful, get them right in that. It sits in a little groove. Yeah, and to help yourself out, get your little clip which we took out earlier. Set them up like that. They're a bit fiddly. Push it in there and just put your finger. Done. I'll hold it in place. There's several of them clips. Plastic nut goes on that one. You literally just push on. Like that. Like that. Push it in. There's another little nut which goes up here. Check you've got more in, that's in. There should be one more somewhere. This one. That's it. Nice simple operation to do, don't take long. That's it all done, new module fitted. This car will be a lot happier now. All done. See you on the next one guys.